If you're leaning toward a pre-built gaming PC, you might have seen our previous video on the Skytech King95. It's an absolute beast, but the $2,600 price tag is creeping toward that intimidating $3,000 mark. So what if you want something that can perform nearly the same but won't burn as deep a hole in your wallet? Meet the Skytech O11 Vision, currently sitting at $2,300. This machine packs the same Ryzen 7 9800X3D processor, and as we've discussed before, it delivers excellent gaming performance thanks to its massive L3 cache. Paired with it is the AMD RX 9070 XT GPU. Yes, it can handle ray tracing, although not quite as well as Nvidia's top-tier cards, but it still holds its own. But let's get into what really matters: performance. Starting with GTA 5 Enhanced Edition at 4K, maxed out settings, ray tracing on, and FSR set to quality, we're looking at a smooth 120 to 130 FPS average. That's seriously impressive for 4K gaming. Then there's Red Dead Redemption 2, a game that still dazzles visually. On Ultra settings with FSR quality enabled, you're getting 95 to 100 FPS at 4K, more than enough to immerse yourself in this cinematic world. Now for something competitive, Fortnite. Running at 4K with everything cranked up and ray tracing turned off, the average FPS hovers around 70. That might be a touch low for hardcore players, but dial down a few settings or drop the resolution to 1440p and you'll jump up to a much smoother 120 FPS while still keeping the visuals crisp. At $2,300, the O11 Vision also comes with 32GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at 6000 MHz. That's more than enough for gaming and multitasking. Unless you need 64GB for heavier workloads, you're set. And if you do, we've got an option for that too. While the King95 used slightly slower 5600 MHz RAM, the real-world difference isn't something you'll feel in most games. Storage is where the O11 Vision really shines. Unlike the King95 single terabyte, this one gives you a full 2TB SSD out of the box. Perfect for installing multiple large games, some creative tools, and still having room to spare. It's a big quality of life win. So if you're in the market for a high-performing but slightly more budget-friendly alternative to the King95, this is it, the Skytech O11 Vision. You can check out the links in the description box below or simply just scan this QR code to check it out on Amazon right now. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!